friends, welcome to Circuit Info YouTube channel.
Topic: Why water flow becomes weak without a vent pipe. Have you ever experienced weak water flow in your shower, even though your water tank is completely full? Many people think the problem is caused by the motor, pipe size, or low water level. But actually, one small missing pipe can reduce your entire water pressure. Show wrong installation. Look at this setup carefully. Here, the overhead water tank has no vent pipe. At first, the water may flow normally, but when water continuously leaves the tank through the outlet pipe, air cannot enter inside the tank properly. Vacuum formation animation. As water goes down, the empty space inside the tank increases. Since there is no vent pipe, outside air cannot replace that empty space. This creates something called negative pressure, or a vacuum effect. Think about drinking juice from a bottle. If air cannot enter the bottle, the liquid struggles to come out smoothly. The exact same thing happens inside this water tank. Slow water flow. Because of this vacuum effect, the water flow becomes slower and weaker. You can see the shower pressure dropping. Instead of a strong water stream, only a small amount of water comes out. This causes inconvenience during bathing, washing, and daily usage. Sometimes people replace pumps, motors, or pipelines without realizing the real issue is poor tank venting. Correct installation. Now look at the correct setup. Here, a vent pipe is installed at the top section of the tank pipeline. This vent pipe allows atmospheric air to enter the system freely. As water flows out, air simultaneously enters through the vent. Strong water flow animation. Because the internal pressure remains balanced, water flows smoothly without restriction. The result is strong and continuous water flow. You can clearly see the difference. The shower pressure becomes much stronger and more stable. Technical explanation. In engineering terms, the vent pipe prevents vacuum formation and maintains atmospheric pressure inside the tank. This improves gravity-based water flow efficiency. A simple, low-cost vent pipe can significantly improve water performance in homes, buildings, and industrial systems. Practical tips. If you are facing weak water pressure, check these points. Make sure the overhead tank has proper venting. Ensure the vent pipe is not blocked. Check for airlocks inside pipelines. Inspect valves and filters for blockage. So remember, sometimes the biggest water flow problem is caused by the smallest missing pipe. A properly installed vent pipe means better pressure, smoother flow, and better performance. Follow for more practical engineering and maintenance tips.